Hey everyone, it's Primoz Lazar here. I'm here with my friend Tanya.
Hi.
And I'm an online coach, right? But I've been a professional photographer and filmmaker for a very long time. And I wanted to show you how to take professional photos with your iPhone for your online content creation. So we are gonna do a few things, right? First of all, we're gonna take a photo like landscape. So she's gonna have full body portrait in there, right? And then we're gonna take some close-ups and so on. And we are also gonna swap the positions. So she's gonna take photos of me as an unprofessional photographer. So if you learn these techniques, you will be able to actually educate your friend who would be taking photos of you with an iPhone of how they should take the photos of you, right? So watch and learn, okay? So Tanya, first of all, I want you to casually slide to the side, right? And yeah, one hand in the hair. And let me just take this photo right now. Cool. Now I want you to go in the middle of the road and look at me straight like that, right? Like show some power. Good. And now again, this way, for example, right? Cool, looking down, good. One more. And look up there to the side. So as you can see, we got some nice, cool, casual photos, right? Now I'm gonna come a little closer and we're gonna take some portrait photos. I want you to be a little bit happier, right? And smile and look at here, right? Again, this hand somewhere up here for now. Right, guys, she's like a model, right? She looks like a model, you know, she does fitness and stuff like that. But if you cannot achieve these kind of positions, right, you can still be very casual and just look to the camera. So, nice smile here, right? And I want you to put this hand down now, right? Both hands in the pockets. Oh, I forgot to let me take a photo, yeah? Smile for now. Now be serious, all right? That's okay. So I'm gonna zoom in a little more, and that's gonna be a nice portrait photo. This way a little bit, yes, and face there, but eyes on me, and happy, looking happy for now. Very good. I'm gonna move this way a little bit, happy, beautiful. So she's smiling. Now I want to swap the positions, right? And because she's not a professional photographer, it's gonna be hard for her to navigate me of what to do, right? But I'm gonna teach you how can actually I navigate my photographer so they know what to do, right? Because when you will ask your friend to take photos of you, you will need to navigate them, right, properly and lead them of how they should take photos of you. So let's do this, right? Now she's gonna take photos of me. There is one more thing that I forgot to tell you, right? Right now we are in nature, all right? So that's more like natural environment. Usually I would suggest that you take a set of more photos also in some urban environment, like in the city or a town, right? Or somewhere else as well. So you need a variety of different places and so, but anyways, we are here right now. And because I'm teaching you how to take photos, if you're gonna be kind of a model, right, you will be able to navigate your friend, your photographer of what they should do, right? So what I suggest us to do, if Tanya, you step few steps back.
Okay.
And I'm gonna casually, first of all, probably put my hands in the pockets, look at the camera. Okay, so I have a portrait photo, smiling, cool. Taking photos, right? Okay, awesome. And I'm gonna look that way. I'm gonna use my hands as well. Maybe I should feel comfortable here. Take photo 3, 2, 1, smiling. Cool, so I got one like that. Now, I would like to ask you to come closer and we're just gonna take the upper body portrait shot, all right?
Okay.
So my head fully in and cutting somewhere here, for example. A little bit too high, maybe a little bit lower. Cool. And I just want to see my face, right? Smile. Taking photo, right?
Yes.
Good. And that was perfect. So I got the full body shot, I got some portrait shot. Right now I want another like a cover photo, like a white landscape. I don't know, probably I'm just gonna sit down here and just sit like that casually. sitting down. You see that's a different pose than before, right? And you can take some photos.
I'm doing photos all of the time because I like spontaneous photos. You just
Awesome.
move yourself, your hands.
Yeah. How are my legs? Is it which
They're
is like
okay.
this is good, right?
This is really good, yes.
Good. So perfect. That will be like a car photo because it's got some landscape there. Now I just want to show you guys how to make some fun photos as well. All right. So it's not all like formal. Because you need to show some energy to people, all right? So let's go. Now we're gonna take some fun photos, you know, for Insta story, boomerang or whatsoever, right?
Yes.
And how are we gonna do this? Tell me.
I will turn
Okay.
and then you will tell me when you will start, okay? And I will jump.
All right, all right.
Okay.
But that's like too long sequence. Turn and jump is like,
No, I turn right now. I will just jump.
all right.
It's like 2 seconds.
Okay, all right, so let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and go. And perfect. And then we double check if it's all good. That's perfect. Now,
Okay.
let's do another one.
Okay.
And I want you probably to spin. Okay,
Run.
spin, it means turn around.
Okay.
All right.
Just once.
Just once,
Okay.
and then we're gonna see. And the hair will go this way like that, right? And, and so on. So we'll try. And 3, 2, 1, and go. Yes, that's exactly what we wanted. So that's a really good job. Now I want you to navigate me of how should I do that,
Okay.
right? Come. And smile in between, please. So let's do this now, right? I will do the same similar boomerang thing, okay?
Okay, but maybe you should try to do something new, something else.
Right, something else, right?
Yes.
So not jumping or turning around,
No.
spinning. So let's figure it out, okay? So you gotta be creative, guys, okay? I believe I will do something like I run towards you, right?
Okay.
And potentially I give me 5, right? Or give you some expression. So
And
let's
you
try.
Stop, okay? And then you stop.
And then I stop and go. Ready? Tell me.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
And run.
Go. Run.
Anyways, so I
That
think
was
it
good.
was awesome, right?
Yes,
And
it was. So, let's do now another photo. For example, you can do
Right.
like photo of freedom. Okay,
Show
because you're
freedom.
here. Yes, you can show me your freedom with your hand.
Okay.
and show.
like freedoms. The
Yes,
world is
freedom.
mine, right?
Yes.
All right, all right.
On
So
all
let's do it
trees.
facing
Good.
you first, all right? Then I'm gonna turn around and check.
Okay,
I'm walking towards you, you take photos, the world is mine, all right? 3, 2, 1.
go. Good. This is really good. Yes.
Good.
Now you can turn,
Turn.
also
Look back.
and do the same. You can do the same pose and
right.
then turn back. Good job. Yes.
The world is yours, right? You can shape it, you can create whatever you want. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video and learning from me of how to take beautiful photos. There is just one thing that I really wanted to share with you, right? If you get bored in your office, working all days and stuff like that, one thing of how can you increase your energy is to go out, do some photo shoot, plan it, take 3 hours out of your day and get inspired, right? Content creation, right? Copywriting, taking photos, videos and sharing this on social media is one of the things that you really need to be good at, right? To master so you can share your message with the online world so people can hear and learn your message, right? If you would like to learn more of how I'm growing my online business, working with clients, helping them out to so they can achieve living their own ideal lifestyles, supporting them with their online business vehicle, right? Follow me, visit my website, subscribe to my channels, and we're gonna make it together. See ya, bye bye.